Good afternoon to all. We are the participants of Journalism Skill Development Program. I am Asif Ahmed. I am from Dindigul. These guys are my project members. Let them introduce themselves.
I am Shab from Renewable. I am Vijay from Dini.
I am Renewable from Dindigul.
I am Maharajan from Ramanathan.
I am Divagar from Dindigul.
Here, why we choose our project is Francis Turbine. Why we choose Francis Turbine means it is highly efficient, it is versatile, and the size is compact. It can be used for medium sizes, medium to high heights. So that's why we are choosing.
This turbine using unwanted material from the construction area, used to paint box, paint bucket, PVC pipe, and make the turbine.
First we made the runner which is 8 blades, making for PVC pipes and a paint box connected to the rotating shaft.
It is outer gas. It has 6 blades to provide radial flow.
This flow helps the convert to the kinetic energy to mechanical energy. We can alternate current of generator power.
Come, let's see our project demo.
Thank you.